Justin Jimino from DragonBlogger.com here again, unboxing the STOGA Blue Switch Mechanical Key Keyboard. This is a slim and trim profile keyboard that doesn't have a 10 key, but it takes up very little space on your desk and it gives you quick access to all your keys without the keys being too spaced apart. Many people like small profile keyboards, and this is just another one by STOGA. I've never reviewed any keyboard by STOGA, so we'll see how it is. First, I'll do the unboxing, then obviously I'm going to review it, do typing tests, and actually my son really wanted it when he started. He was all excited because he wanted a new mechanical keyboard for his laptop. So we'll go and check it out. Opening up the box here. Alright, so we've got the keyboard here, and obviously it's USB. I'll go ahead and pull out the power bank to give it some power, even though I won't plug it in, just to show you how it looks, because again, this is the unboxing. I have not tested it yet. I'll do this twist tie here. And let's power it up and see if it has any default colors. Oh, they put two twist ties on this cord here. Alright, after you take out the two twist ties, you simply plug it in the USB, and again, I'm going to see how it looks. I got the keyboard plugged into a power source, not a computer. You might not recognize anything with a power source, but you can see how it looks here. And it's got the foldable clips, so that way you can angle the keyboard. It is very small, you can see it's very clicky. And interrupted by dog. So I got the STOGA keyboard plugged into my USB. You can see it has the default lights with the little green, purple, orange, and red, and white rows like that by default. There are LED lights. It is quite clicky when you click on it. Again, I don't want to randomly press keys because it is plugged in and it will mess up my recording, but I'll let you know how it sounds. I'll do some typing tests on it and record those in a separate video. You can see the caps lock key turns on and off to let you know that the caps lock is on or off, which I like. It's always appreciated. Here. But the colors are fixed. What I was actually impressed with the STOGA keyboard is you're so used to manufacturers giving you really crappy manuals or no documentation whatsoever. This is actually a fairly thick user manual on how the actual keyboard works and all the various keys and configurations about it. And I was impressed by this little manual that's included, because often there's no documentation or very poor documentation. But this shows you how you can use the function plus F1 for the home page, how to do music, previous song, next song, using the function keys. Shows you how to use the function keys to make the lights brighter or dimmer, change the back speed or the breathing of the light, the brightness, that kind of thing. So I really appreciate the fact that they took the time to actually give a fairly detailed manual for such a small mechanical keyboard. So we'll go ahead and we'll review this STOGA keyboard. I'll show you some of the keys in action. I'll let my son use it and type with it and maybe record him doing that and see how it is. And hopefully this keyboard will hold up pretty well, but it feels pretty good. I mean, other than slim, which is a nice slim profile, it has a little bit of weight to it. The keys are really nice, and it seems like this would be a really nice keyboard for the price too. And for just around $40, it's a really, really affordable mechanical Blue Switch keyboard. Here we'll be showcasing some features of the STOGA mechanical keyboard. So go ahead and show some of the lighting features. Right now it's set to the mode where you type each key and then it lights up each key as you press it, and then it slowly fades away. You hold function and which key is that? Scroll lock to switch the modes here. Now he has the full lighting on. And this is the scrolling light pattern. That's cool. I like that pattern. That mode you type and the entire row lights up, like beaming away from where you type. That's kind of cool. Then of course we have a wave pattern that scrolls from left to right across the keyboard. And we have the pattern where it starts by circling the entire outside and working its way in this cyclic pattern. And then there's a little burst at the end of their light. That's pretty cool. Oh, it's a key burst one. You type a key and it bursts away. That's cool. I like that pattern a lot. That's really neat. And then of course we have what looks like raindrops or blinking effect. Oh, that's nice. Tiny little balloon burst. Those are cool patterns. So there's a lot of patterns. There's 9 different color patterns you can play with on the keyboard. So I'm going to have him do a typing test to actually show you how clicky the keys are while he's doing typing. Let's go ahead and test your typing skills. As you can hear, the blue switch keys are pretty loud. They have quite a bit of a clack to them and a clickety to them. I can hear them from the other room about 10 feet away. I've heard louder blue switch keys, but these are pretty loud. A lot of people like the sound and the feel of blue switch keys, especially how responsive and how loud they are. You can see how the keys spring back with each click. And again, all 87 keys are non-ghosting on this keyboard. So overall, this keyboard gets extremely high marks. Another feature that it has that I really like is you can do the function key and the Windows key, which will lock out your Windows key from taking you out of the game. And it puts the keyboard in game mode as well. It's definitely an excellent mechanical keyboard for the price if you don't mind not having a 10 keypad. Thank you for watching.
Disclaimer: this product was provided to the author to do a review. All opinions are 100% authors and authors alone. For more information, visit bit.ly/dbdisclose. To have your product or brand showcased on Dragon Blogger, visit bit.ly/reviewmyproduct. Thank you for watching.